Everything that everybody said was completely true, but they undersold how much value is in the class. I did not expect it to be as thorough as it was, and it was absolutely a masterclass.
It is definitely a full, intense week, and it is gonna help you to see where do you have an innate strength in when you look at the whole wheel and all the businesses, and where are the areas that maybe you do need to grow and learn for your own development so that you can better lead in the spaces that you're in. And it's also going to allow you to connect with others, to process ideas, to have the case studies and real world examples, as well as thinking about your company and the companies that you interact with. And so it creates a lot of space to work out the concepts.
The measurement system of our intrinsic value is a really key measure for us going forward. And we felt like the strategic planning sessions on Thursday morning tied together all of what we had experienced so far. I think this week really was illuminating for me as a business owner and operator. It really helped clarify where we've been, where we are, and where we want to go at a much deeper level than many other consultants or systems have been able to demonstrate.
Learning how to communicate effectively with an entire management team or a business owner, how to speak their language, and learning that all of the sections and functions of a business are connected at every part was extremely valuable and a huge aha moment. I mean, the legal section, the finance section, the operations section were more than anything that I've ever experienced.
The biggest tools that I've seen from this program are just understanding how the different aspects of your company should work together, and then being able to recognize when something isn't working and then how to start to address it. This was a refreshing deep dive into the subject matter of business growth.
There's a lot of value in being able to create focus, and the right kind of focus in the areas that the business owner might just not naturally go to, but the kinds of focus that their business needs to deliver the value they want in it. There are things I can take away from this week, both in terms of relationships, great people I met while I was here, both the team that is the steward of this process as well as those who came to learn. That network's important. I enjoyed it because once you have the opportunity to meet the people that are in the room that are also growth oriented, that have a mindset of wanting to grow themselves and therefore be able to multiply the impact. The content is really well formed. You have leaders from different disciplines who share quite a bit of their experience, and you can just feel in the conversation that they've really been there and done this.
I talk to a lot of consultants, and a lot of them, frankly, irritate me because they're so devoid from real world experience. And you can tell that Ken and John have lived it, and that they've been so close to so many companies, and they've really honed what does work and what doesn't work. And this isn't theory for them, this is practical. And that's just such a huge, huge gift to know that this is actually going to work in the real world and not just in a classroom.